So here at 2020 Seed Labs, we've created this decision-making map to help you decide what the right test is for you and how you want to manage your Fusarium. So the first question we always like to ask is Fusarium observed in your area or not? So if you're in an area where you've seen Fusarium before, we recommend going straight to a plate test. And these will give you results in a percent. And based on the percent seed infected you get will depend on your next course of action. So if you're in an area where you haven't really seen Fusarium, we recommend going and getting a DNA test. DNA test is a lot quicker. The turnaround time is 2 to 3 days, and it's a lot more sensitive. So if you get a not detected, that means there's no surface level contamination, there's no late season infection, your seed is clean and Fusarium free. If you get a detected, it could mean a lot of things, so that's why we recommend going back to a plate test. And once again, you'll get your results in a percentage, and your course of action will depend on what results you get from your plate test.